Hello, my name is Michael Parkinson and hopefully I'm going to show you how to change a tap washer in the bathroom tap in 3 easy lessons or 2 hard ones. The first thing I do is put a piece of cloth on the worktop so that I don't damage it with my tools. I brought a few tools up. I'm sure I'll have forgotten something and have to go down to the garage to get something else. The next thing is to switch the water off.
Why are you switching the water off?
Basically to prevent me flooding the bathroom.
Fine.
So to switch the water off to the tap, there's a little inline screw there in the pipe under the basin which I will need to turn. So the inline water cut off is this little screw there. I'll turn the tap on a little bit. Let's turn the screw halfway around to cut the water off. The next thing is to release the top of the tap, which I think I have to do by turning this thing in the centre. Yes, that's turning. Take that off, put it out of the way, and then there's a cross thread screw down there to take it off. This screw is really tight, so I've given it a little squirt of service lube. And that's done the job. So I've got to take that out now. I think Joan is getting a video of me taking the screw out. Isn't that exciting? So that is the top of the tap with the screw out. And what does that show? I now need to release this nut, which is a 17mm size. And that turned fairly easily. So I've got to take that right out. You see why I switched the water off?
Yeah. Ooh. Ooh, flipping out. How dirty that is.
Yeah.
How dirty it is too. You never take the taps off to clean them, Michael.
No, you don't. That should be under the heading of spring cleaning. And so after I'd done all that, there was another nut right down there, where my nail is there, which fitted into the base of the tap, and I just could not move that other nut. So we cleaned it all up, and there was a load of really bad encrustations of black and green within the tap near the washer, etc. And we cleaned it all up, and it took a lot of cleaning up. It was really bad. So after having cleaned it all up, we decided that we wouldn't pursue any more what we were trying to do, but that I would get a plumber in to come put a new washer on. But strange thing happened. After we'd cleaned it up and put everything back, the tap operates quite normally. And so I wonder whether the problem we've been having with the tap not switching off very well was caused by the encrustation of stuff inside catching on the outside housing of the tap. See, it switches off perfectly. So I'm just going to leave it and see what happens.